Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix or change the screen resolution of your computer in Windows 11. So first make sure you have all the graphics driver updated, and after that all you have to just do is right click on desktop, and from here select display settings. So after that you will get into this page. From here under scale and layout option section, you will find the option called display resolution. You simply just have to click on that and select the your monitor's resolution. By default Windows will like say recommended beside your monitor's resolution, so click on that, and after that click on keep changes. Your resolution will be now fixed, or you can change your resolution in this way. So if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.